Are you ready to embark on a journey to success? Look no further than the London School of Planning and Management. With LSPM, your dreams are within reach. It's time to take that first step towards a brighter future. Our courses are designed to empower you, to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to reach your full potential. Whether you're aiming for the boardroom, the creative studio, or the global market, LSPM has the tools to help you succeed. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start your journey today with LSPM. Enroll now and unlock endless possibilities. Your success story begins here. London School of Planning and Management, where dreams take flight. To apply, visit our website www.lspm.org.uk today.